Access Google Maps from your smartphone. If not yet installed, download it from Google Play Store and customize your navigation experience. For instance, you can select your preferred language and volume level. Connect your smartphone via USB cable. Configure the app to receive traffic information. You can get directions to points of interest, such as restaurants, shops, stations. You can modify your route while navigation is active. You can use the voice assistant to set up navigation. Press the voice control button on the steering wheel and ask the Google Assistant to direct you to a point of interest or address. The system calculates the time for you to reach your destination using live traffic conditions. Have a great trip!